Here's a technique of divine proportion that is used by most cosmetic surgeons to make the faces and eyes of their clients more aesthetically pleasing through cosmetic surgery, and I can't wait to show you how to use it for your eye makeup. So if you're ready, let's begin. For the first step, I'll be marking a dot in my lower lash line which fairly falls in between my eyes. But before that, I'm priming my lids with the Pack Take Cover Concealer in the shade Beach Sand. To make the marking in my lower lash line, I'm using the Sugars Eye Pencil in the shade Brown. Next, I'm marking the middle of my lid in my upper lash line. And I'm going to be making the last marking in the middle of my crease area. For demonstration purposes, I'll be using the Modern Renaissance palette by ABH Cosmetics and the Mercury Retrograde palette by Huda Beauty. Picking up this brick red shade on my smaller pencil brush, I'm going to extend the first point from my lower lash line, almost aligning it to the point on my lid. And then I'll be joining this extended line to the point on my lid. And I'll start to blend it using my pack brush in the style 126. Picking up the same shade on my smaller pencil brush by Real Techniques, I'm joining the extended lower lash line to the point on my crease, and I'll blend it using my pack brush in the style 126. To brighten my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm using this bright gold shade with my flat short shader brush. To decorate my lid, I'm using this shimmery milky shade with my flat brush by ABH Cosmetics. To line my top lash line, I'm using the Lakme Insta Liner. To fill in my waterline, I'm using the Magnet Eye Kajal by Faces Canada. And to smudge it, I'm using this charcoal shade on my smaller pencil brush. To finish up, I'll be throwing on some falsies, but before that, I'm curling my lashes and coating them with some mascara. This one is by Mars. For falsies, I'm using the Swiss Beauty lashes in the style Pixie. And for lipstick, I'm using the shade First Dance by Charlotte Tilbury. And here is the finished look. So if you enjoyed this video and happen to learn something from it, then please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new here, please take a moment to subscribe. I post several videos a week. I've left the link to my social media accounts in the description box down below in case you want to follow me there. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.